Teach words that begin with the letter F to children. F for fish. Fish.
Fish.
F for frog. Frog.
Frog.
F for flower. Flower.
Flower.
F for fox. Fox.
Fox.
F for fan. Fan.
Fan.
F for feather. Feather.
Feather.
F for fairy. Fairy.
Fairy.
F for fire. Fire.
Fire.
F for fridge. Fridge.
Fridge.
F for fork. Fork.
Fork.
F for forest. Forest.
Forest.
F for flamingo. Flamingo.
Flamingo.
F for fossil. Fossil.
Fossil.
F for flip. Flip.
Flip.
F for football. Football.
Football.
F for frown. Frown.
Frown.
F for fence. Fence.
Fence.
F for fast. Fast.
Fast.
F for funny. Funny.
Funny.
F for farmer. Farmer.
Farmer.
F for fireworks. Fireworks.
Fireworks.
F for frost. Frost.
Frost.
F for festival. Festival.
Festival.
F for flute. Flute.
Flute.
Kids Learning App Smart Kids free download description below. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.